The discovery of the Great Barrier Reef is a fascinating tale that intertwines human curiosity, exploration, and the natural wonders of the world. This story is not just about the reef itself but also about the people who encountered it, the legends that surround it, and the scientific understanding that has developed over centuries. Let us embark on this journey through time, exploring the history, myths, and facts surrounding one of the most extraordinary natural formations on Earth. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, is the largest coral reef system in the world. It stretches over 2,300 kilometers and covers an area of approximately 344,400 square kilometers. It is composed of nearly 3,000 individual reefs and 900 islands. But how did this immense natural wonder come to be discovered by humans? To answer this question, we must go back in time, long before European explorers set foot in the region. The indigenous peoples of Australia, particularly the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander communities, have known about the Great Barrier Reef for tens of thousands of years. For these communities, the reef was not just a natural formation but a vital part of their culture, spirituality, and livelihood. They had an intricate knowledge of the reef's ecosystems, tides, and marine life, which they passed down through oral traditions, stories, and songs. One such legend tells of the rainbow serpent, a powerful creator being that shaped the land and seas, including the Great Barrier Reef. According to the story, the serpent's movements created the intricate patterns of the reefs and islands, and its presence is still felt in the vibrant colors and life of the coral. The first recorded European sighting of the Great Barrier Reef occurred much later, in 1770, during the voyage of Captain James Cook aboard the HMS Endeavour. Cook was a British explorer tasked with charting the uncharted waters of the South Pacific. On June 11, 1770, the Endeavour struck a part of the reef near present-day Cooktown, causing significant damage to the ship. This event, known as the Endeavour's grounding, marked the first documented encounter between Europeans and the Great Barrier Reef. Cook and his crew managed to repair the ship and continue their journey, but the incident highlighted the dangers of navigating these waters. Cook's logs and maps provided the first detailed descriptions of the reef, which he initially referred to as a labyrinth of reefs. His observations were crucial for future explorers and navigators, but they also sparked curiosity about the reef's origins and composition. It wasn't until the 19th century that scientists began to study the reef in earnest, leading to a deeper understanding of its biological and geological significance. One of the key figures in the early scientific exploration of the Great Barrier Reef was Matthew Flinders, a British navigator and cartographer. In 1802, Flinders embarked on a circumnavigation of Australia aboard the HMS Investigator. During this voyage, he meticulously charted large sections of the reef, providing some of the first accurate maps of its structure. Flinders also coined the term Great Barrier Reef, recognizing its vastness and the barrier it posed to ships attempting to navigate the coast. As European settlement in Australia expanded, so did interest in the reef. However, this period also brought challenges, including overfishing, coral harvesting, and the impacts of coastal development. By the late 19th century, concerns about the reef's preservation began to emerge. In 1878, the Queensland government established the Great Barrier Reef Committee, one of the first organisations dedicated to studying and protecting the reef. This marked the beginning of a growing awareness of the reef's ecological importance. The 20th century saw significant advancements in marine science, which further illuminated the complexity and fragility of the Great Barrier Reef. In 1928, the Great Barrier Reef Expedition, led by British scientist Charles Morris Younger, conducted one of the first comprehensive studies of the reef's biology. The expedition's findings revealed the intricate relationships between coral, fish, and other marine organisms, laying the groundwork for modern coral reef ecology. Despite these scientific advancements, the reef faced new threats in the form of climate change, pollution, and coral bleaching. The latter became particularly concerning in the late 20th and early 21st centuries, as rising sea temperatures caused widespread damage to coral ecosystems. In 1981, the Great Barrier Reef was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its outstanding universal value and the need for its protection. This designation helped galvanize international efforts to conserve the reef, but challenges remain. Today, the Great Barrier Reef is not only a natural wonder but also a symbol of the delicate balance between human activity and environmental preservation. It is home to an astonishing diversity of life, including over 1,500 species of fish, 400 species of coral, and countless other marine organisms. It also plays a crucial role in the global ecosystem, acting as a carbon sink and supporting fisheries that feed millions of people. The discovery and ongoing exploration of the Great Barrier Reef remind us of the importance of curiosity, respect for nature, and the need for sustainable practices. From the ancient legends of the rainbow serpent to the groundbreaking scientific expeditions of the modern era, the reef's story is a testament to the enduring connection between humans and the natural world. As we continue to learn from and about the Great Barrier Reef, we are reminded of our responsibility to protect it for future generations. In conclusion, the discovery of the Great Barrier Reef is a rich tapestry woven from the threads of indigenous knowledge, European exploration, scientific inquiry, and environmental stewardship. It is a story that continues to unfold, offering new insights and challenges with each passing year. As we reflect on this remarkable journey, let us also commit to preserving the reef's beauty and biodiversity, ensuring that it remains a source of wonder and inspiration for centuries to come.